His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
The World Bank's continued partnership with the Philippines mark a vital chapter in our nation's development journey. With each turnover, we strengthen the foundation of inclusive growth, ensuring that projects in education, health, infrastructure, and disaster resilience continue to move forward. These transitions are more than just handovers, they are commitments to accountability, progress, and innovation. The World Bank provides not just funding but global expertise, technical support, and a trusted hand in building a stronger, more resilient economy. Kaya mga kababayan, ang ibig sabihin nito, mas maginhawang daan, mas maayos na serbisyong pangkalusugan, dekalidad na edukasyon, at mas maraming opportunity para sa lahat, lalo na doon sa mga underserved communities. And so, with every milestone, we move closer to a future where growth is shared and every Filipino thrives. Magkasama ang World Bank at Pilipinas sa pagbuo ng mas matatag, mas maunlad na kinabukasan. Salamat, PBBM!
At mga mahal sa buhay, patuloy po kaming maghahatid ng tulong upang muli tayong makabangon at makapagsimula. Together, we are shaping a bagong Pilipinas that is stronger, that is more inclusive, and that is more sustainable. A future where every Filipino has countless opportunities to live with courage, with confidence, and freedom. Maraming salamat at mabuhay tayong lahat. And with this, we now look forward with even greater optimism to the future. Thank you and good afternoon.